E1 of us. Come to USI, E1 of us. Come to USI. Be one of us. Come to USI. Be one of us. Come to USI. Be one of us. be one of us. Come to USI, be one of us.
You're watching BUCAL Season 3 live here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. I'm Daniel Sia and we're about to witness a battle between the Daraga Defenders versus the USI Falcons. With me right now is a coach from the Daraga Defenders, Coach Joma. So Coach Joma, what are the preparations you've made for this afternoon's game?
First of all, we must prevent our shooters of USI. Second, we prevent their transition offense. So we prepare most probably all about more defense. We stop them so that we can go to our offense perfectly, and also we must overplay them with offensive rebounds and most especially the defense. We prepare for all 5 days is for most defense only. That's all.
Thank you, Coach Joma. Stay tuned. This is BUCAL Season 3. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
one of us.
You're still watching BUCAL Season 3 live here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. I'm Daniel Sia and with me is Coach Chope of the USI Falcons. So last time Coach Chope, he was able to win at this very gym. And so Coach Chope, what are the preparations you've made for this game?
This week has been very hard for us because there are a lot of problems, struggles. Kasi yung ibang players namin, I think 5 of our players has a problem. May mga injury sila. So may mga ninanurse silang injury. So yun yung pinakamahirap. Tapos yung team captain pa namin, na-hospitalize siya this week because of dengue. So he won't be able to play to this game. So sobrang challenge yun para sa amin. Pero again, 15 players naman yun eh. Naniniwala naman kami na kaya nga kumuha kami ng 15 players kasi may mga tiwala kami sa isa't isa sa talent nila. At saka sabi namin individually, pwedeng may mga weaknesses kami individually, mahina kami individually, pero as a team, we can compete against any team here. So again, yung sinabi ko last time, nalalaban yung mga bata. Ngayon, papatunayan namin na kahit kulang kami, may mga injuries yung mga bata, lalaban ulit kami.
Thank you, Coach Chope. As we can see, Coach Chope really made their preparation even with all the challenges that they are faced with. This is BUCAL Season 3. I'm Daniel Sia. Thank you. Thank you, Coach. Good luck, Coach.
Come to USI. Be one of us. one of us. Bochat. Bulbol. Kamay. Ayun yun. Kaya na.
Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the semi-finals of BUCAL Season 3. This season is brought to you by the Rotary Club of Naga and People's General Insurance Corporation. Introducing the first 5 of Daraga Defenders. We have number 6, Septo. Number 8, Aureliano. Number 10, Venus. Number 14, Boral. And number 15, Raul. Introducing the first 5 of USI Falcons. We have number 0, Compuesto. Jersey number 24, Alvarez. Jersey number 34, Pulgar. Jersey number 13, Berenguela. And to complete the 5, jersey number 10, Del Rosario. Our officiating officials would be Edward Paraon for umpire 1, Rodel Pancho for umpire 2, and our crew chief is Inday Orsena. Our table official is June Baldoza and Ronnie Malineza. Our sports commentator will be Bernales and Jello. Let's go! Technical head, Zomar Gurong and Bonanong Chomachera and Edward Paraon for the stats. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The semifinals. First ball possession goes to Daraga Defenders, and first shot after 4 seconds. Number 24, heavily guarded, intercepted by number 5. Number 5 with an easy layup. Back-to-back points for the Defenders. Number 0, dribbles. Number 10. Number 10 shoots. No good. Rebounded by number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. No luck for that shot. Number 17, number 5 from downtown, misses. Number 24 with a big rebound. Number 0, dribbling hard. Pass it to number 13, struggling. To number 10. Number 10, looking for someone. 10 seconds to shoot. Teardrop. And the first whistle was blown. Foul number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. No good for the first shot. And he nails the second one, and that's the first point for USI. Number 17 dribbles to number 4. Number 17 to number 5 from long range. 3 points. Number 10 drives. That's a traveling violation. Number 17, back to number 5. Lab pass inside and a reverse layup. What a drive. Timeout USI, and that's the first timeout of the game. Shout out kay Manager James Havana. Happy viewing from the table official. If you have your messages and shoutouts, use our official hashtag on Twitter. That's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. Again, for your messages and shoutouts, use our official hashtag. That's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. Happy viewing kay Mr. Nino Segara. Again, from our table officials. Also kay Kier Valdemoro. Happy viewing. At sa magaganda at gwapo nating student managers, happy viewing and good job. Thank you din sa ating mga security personnel. Alright, running score 9-1 in favor of Daraga defenders. Happy viewing po kay Junel Gurong. Once again from our table officials. Inbound by number 24 to number 10. Number 10 heavily guarded. Back to number 24. To number 0. Back to number 24. Drives. Turns around. Loses the ball. And intercepted by the big guy. Lab pass inside. Pump fakes. To number 5 from beyond the arc. Misses. Number 10. Quick pass to number 0. Running like the wind. Straight into the hoop. And that's a standing ovation for the first layup of the Falcons. Number 17 to number 4. Back to number 17 from long range. Another miss. Rebounded for the second attempt. Spins around. And that's a traveling violation. Number 24. Half-court drop by the defenders. Barely crosses the half-court. Number 0 generating a play to his team. Drives against number 5. Barely crosses to number 24. 10 to shoot. Quick pass to number 10. And barely loses it. Spins around. Stolen by number 17. To number 5. To number 17. Shoots the 3. And he nailed it. Number 24. Steps into the line, and it's a turnover. Number 5, the number 17. Number 17. "11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. Looking for someone to number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 shoots another 3. No good. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 12. That's his first personal foul and second team foul. Number 24 to number 0. Dribbles. Heavily guarded by number 5. The number 24, bounce pass to the side. Number 8 moves around. Left pass to number 0. From long range, 3 points. A dagger through the heart. And we're down to a 6-point lead. And a revenge 3-pointer. Instant revenge by number 17. Number 24. And another foul for number 12. That's his second personal foul of the game and third team foul. Number 0 to number 13. Number 8 dribbles. Number 24 looking for someone. And that's a double dribble violation. Substitution on the court. Number 17. Quick pass to number 4. Back to number 17. And releases. Missed this time. And a foul was called. Foul number 13. That's his first personal foul and first team foul. 5 minutes remaining time for the first quarter.
"12 to shoot. 12 seconds. Inbound by number 4 to number 5. 7 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 34. Turnover. Number 17 dribbling the ball to number 5. "10 seconds to shoot. Rejected by number 34. Number 8 mid-range jumper, no good. Number 5 with a floater and an easy 2-pointer. Number 8 to number 20 to number 34, intercepted by the defenders. To number 17, extra pass from the outside, no good. Extra pass from the inside and an easy 2-pointer. Number 0 pass from the outside for 3. Bang!
Defense! Defense!
Number 17 to number 4 for 3. A revenge shot, no good, but an offensive rebound by number 10, intercepted by number 8. Loses the ball and turns it over. Substitution. Substitution. Number 17 fires for three. In and out. Number 0 to number 20. Spins, struggles, loses the ball, passes to number 22. Foul number 13. Number 13, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 5, intercepted by number 8. Passes to number 0 from the outside for 3. No good. Number 13 with an easy layup for 2. And that puts their lead up to 12 points. Number 6 out of bounds, turns the ball over. Substitution. Number 5, Trebling. Number 0, heavily guarded. Number 22 to number 6. Extra pass from the outside. Number 8. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. He makes the first shot. Second shot is good. Number 2, carrying the ball, heavily guarded by number 6. Number 13 fakes, passes from the outside for 3. Bang! Shoutout po kay Mark Lennon Belmonte. Happy viewing. Foul called on number 2. Penalty. Second shot is good. Substitution. Remaining time, 53 seconds of the first quarter. Number 13 sidesteps. A foul is called. Foul number 2. Foul number 22. Second shot, no good. Number 8, guarded by number 2. to number 6, to number 20.
Number 6, foul. Number 2 of USI, warning for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Penalty po. Number 6, first personal foul. Second shot, no good. 30 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Number 2, hop, step, lays it up, no good. Shot clock is off. Number 8 to number 22. Inside pass but intercepted by the defenders. 10 seconds. Number 34 intercepted by number 8 with 5 seconds remaining in the clock. Number 8 lays it up, no good. And that's the end of the first quarter with a score of 24-14 in favor of the Daraga Defenders.
And we're down to the second quarter of the semifinal game between Daraga Defenders and USI Falcons. First shout out of the game, shout out sa SNS from Dino Franco. Shout out din kay Martin Aguilar from Angelo. Shout out sa mga BUCAL student volunteers. And then, yan, from Magagayo ng mga taga-USI from Garnel Zoy. Alright? Kay Nino Sigara din, happy viewing. Number 8 to number 6, generating a play. Number 2, quick pass inside, bump fakes, and shoots! What a play by the USI Falcons to start the quarter. Number 2, lab pass, intercepted by number 8, straight into the hoop. Back-to-back points for USI in just the 10 seconds of the first quarter. Number 13. Pass to number 6. Generating a revenge play. Dribbles, blind pass inside, Euro step. And the foul was called. Foul number 22. Second personal foul, first team foul. No good for the first one. No good for the second one. Turnover. Number 8 to number 22. Back to number 8. Heavily guarded, looking for someone. The number 22. 10 seconds on the clock. Stolen, yet out of bounds. Number 6. The number 8. Dribbles. Lumusot. Number 8 of the Falcons. Number 6. Number 13. Lap pass to number 6 from long range. 3 points. Number 8, dribbling hard, dribbling fast, barely crosses the half court. Number 22, back to number 8. The number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. Teardrop, no good for that Hail Mary shot. Number 13, into the keys, straight into the basket. We're back to a 2-digit lead of the defenders. Lap pass to number 2, number 20, baseline drive, attacks against all odd. Blocked by the defenders. Number 6 with a free layup. Timeout, USI. Consumed timeout for USI. Daraga defenders, 2 timeout remaining. Once again, consumed timeout for Daraga defenders. And then 2 more, a consumed timeout for USI and 2 more timeouts for Daraga defenders.
Shoutout po kay Ezekiel Fernandez. Happy viewing po.
Happy viewing po kay Mr. Nino Segara. Magpapas na ka daw po from Table Officials. Shoutout din ulit sa SNS. That's from Aaron. And kay Manager James Savannah. We're back to the ball game. Running score 32-20. Still leading Daraga defenders. 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 0. Heavily dribbling. Quick pass. Yet intercepted by number 2. Number 2. Dribbles. Pump fakes. Attacks. And a foul was called. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14-second shot clock. Stolen by number 34. To number 0. Trapped. Number 24. And a jumper, no good. Breakaway pass to number 13. And a very strong layup. Number 34 puts it back. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Third team foul. No good for the first one. Not counted. Stepping into the line. Inbound by number 24. To number 0. Number 0 dribbles. Bounce pass to number 2. To number 6. Back to number 0 and a quick 3-point attempt. And he makes it. 3 points by number 0. Number 2. And a revenge 3-pointer, but he didn't connect. Number 2. Number 24. Number 0 with a retrieve. Stolen by number 16. And he makes the shot. Substitution, defenders. Number 0 with the ball. Dribbles. Foul number 17, second personal foul, first team foul. Substitution, USI. Number 6 to number 8. 10-second shot clock. Number 6. 5 seconds with a reverse layup. Second attempt by number 34. Stolen by number 5. Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. No good for the first one. That's one chicken in the bucket by number 5. Number 24. The number 0. The number 8. Drives. Defenders now with the ball. Number 13. The number 5. Baseline drive. And it didn't connect. Number 34. The number 6. Back to number 34. The number 8. The number 0. From long range. Misses. Number 6 with a rebound and a foul by number 5. Number 5, first personal foul, second team foul. Five minutes remaining time for the second period.
14-second shot clock. Number 0 spins, fakes. Foul on number 7. Third personal foul. Number 17, third personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. First shot is good. Second shot, no good, but an offensive rebound by number 34, layup, no good. Extra pass to number 5, but turns it over. Number 0. Guarded by number 13 to number 6. Number 6 inside pass to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0 fires. No good. Number 5. Layup, no good, but followed up by number 10. Number 0. Pass to number 6, back to number 0, turns it over. Substitution, both teams. Number 5 to number 13 for 3, no good. Number 22 to number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. 11-second shot clock. 11 seconds. Number 17 to 22. And a traveling violation is called. Number 13, guarded by number 13 to number 5. Intercepted by number 22. Number 8 lays it up against all odds, but no good. Number 0 fires from the outside, no good. Traveling violation is yet called again. Substitution.
Alex! Alex! Alex!
Number 13 to number 5. Back to number 13. Pump fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Penalty, foul, number 8. First personal foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Number 13. Guarded by number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Extra pass from the outside to 0. To number 23, to number 13. With a floater for 2 points. Number 13 to number 5. Back to number 13. Mid-range jumper, no good. But an offensive rebound by number 12 to number 10. Finger roll, no good. And a follow-up for 2 points. Remaining time, 1 minute and 40 seconds of the second quarter. Number 8, mid-range jumper, bang! Running score, 40-28, still in favor of Daraga defenders. Pass was intercepted, but out of bounds. 11-second shot clock, 11 seconds. Substitution. Number 10 with a follow-up for 2 points. Number 0. "14 seconds to shoot." Number 8. Number 8, extra pass from the outside to number 23. Inside floater, 2-pointer. 40 seconds remaining. Number 13, pass to number 5 for 3. No good. But again, number 10 scores from the inside. 24 seconds remaining in the second period. Number 8. With it. Number 7, first personal foul, 4th team foul. 17 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 to number 23. For 3. No good. Hits the board hard. Foul on number 20. First personal foul. Penalty. Six seconds remaining in the second quarter. 6 seconds. Second shot is good. 5 seconds. Number 30. And that's the end of the first half with a score of 44-31 in favor of Daraga Defenders.
Come to USI. Be one of us.
Alright, and we're down to the third quarter of the match. You are still watching Daraga Defenders versus USI Falcons. Running score 44-31. A 13-point lead of Daraga Defenders. All right, number 2, the number 5, the number 12, the number 10, rejected by number 34, the number 8, number 8, the number 24, teardrop, straight into the basket. Number 5, generating a play. Back to number 5 from downtown. 3 points by number 5. Number 0 to number 24 to number 8. Number 34, another teardrop. The floater floats. Number 2, Eurostep, rejected. "17 seconds to play. 17 seconds. Number 5 spins around, fades away, but didn't complete the shot. And the big man, no good. Out of bounds, and that's a turnover. Number 2, inbound to number 5. To number 2. Lap pass into an alley-oop attempt. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 34. First personal foul, first team foul. And he makes the first shot. No good for the second one. Turnover. Number 4. The number 5. The number 12. And the big man with a reverse layup by number 10. Number 0, heavily guarded by number 2. Pass to number 24. Number 8. Looking for someone. Dribbles. 10 seconds to shoot. And a jumper. No good. And a foul was called. Foul number 4. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 0 drives into a teardrop, and they failed it. Number 2, swift as the wind, into the key, pass it to the side, kisses the rim but not the basket. Number 0 with a dribble. To number 8, and a perimeter shot. Perimeter secured. Number 2. The number 5. Heavily guarded number 5 against 4 to number 12. Basket counts. Plus a bonus shot. Foul number 34. That's the second personal foul for number 34 and their second team foul for the third quarter. All right, thank you, Kuya Jeff. And he perfected the three-point play. Number 24. The number 0. Bounce pass to number 8. But didn't connect. Number 2. Sidestep. And back-to-back points for the defenders. Running score 55-37. Still on the lead. Daraga defenders. Number 0. Dribbles hard. The number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. From long range. No good. Number 2. Into the key. Number 2. For the comeback. Number 5 with a quick three-point shot. No good. Second attempt. Number 4. Baseline drive. Rejected from behind. But a foul was scored. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Timeout, USI. He makes the first shot. No good for the second one. Number 4 with the rebound of his own shot. Out of bounds. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Number 5. From long range. What a shot by number 2. Number 0. Dribbles to number 22. Back to number 0. Number 0 drives. Quick pass to the side. Didn't connect. Number 5. The number 2. The number 4, another 3-point attempt. Bumabahan ng 3 points from Daraga defenders. Five minutes remaining time.
Foul on number 12. Substitution. Number 12, third personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Number 6 for 3, no good. Rebounded by number 13. Back to number 6, to number 0, to number 6 again. Number 22, using the board. Number 2 fires for 3, no good. Number 0 lays it up for 2 points against all odds. Number 5, inside pass to number 12. There's going to be a foul called on number 22. Number 22, third personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 0 to number 34. Intercepted by the defenders. Lob pass to number 5, but intercepted by number 0. Number 0, extra pass to number 34. Pump fakes and a foul. Foul on number 16. First personal foul, third team foul. First shot is no good. Second shot, no good, but an offensive rebound by number 13. Number 6 fires for 3, no good. Foul on number 6. Third personal foul. Penalty. Shoutout po kay Don Christian Colarina. Shoutout po kay Mr. Nino Segara and Manager James Habana and Sir Tutu. Salamat. He makes the second. Substitution.
Players no huddle. Onto the free throw line. Players no huddle. Please proceed to the free throw line. Players no huddle. Go to the free throw line. The review is brought to you by IMJ Interactive. We are live on the Facebook through IMJ Interactive. Number 13 of USI and sportsmanlike foul. 2 shots for Daraga defenders plus a ball possession. Number 13, third personal foul penalty.
the outside three-pointer, no good. Number 12, foul. Inbounded by number 6, back to number 22, back to number 6, to number 10. Guarded by number 13, with 10 seconds to shoot, number 13. To 34, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0, gotta make a play. Number 12, fourth personal foul. Fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Number 4, slashes for 2 points. Number 6, guarded by number 5. 14-second shot clock. Number 10 fakes to number 6 with a three-pointer. Air ball. Number 5 passes to number 13. Side steps, lays it up, no good. Number 10 guarded by 2 defenders. Inside pass to number 34, lays it up, no good, and a foul was called. Number 34. Penalty. Number 34, first personal foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. But an offensive rebound by number 0 to number 8, mid-range jumper, no good. Number 5 to number 4 for 3. 2 points. Number 0 slashes from his defenders, but the layup is no good. Number 13, back to number 5. Defended by number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 fires for 3 points. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds of the third quarter. Number 34, pass to number 8. Foul on number 5, penalty. Number 5 with 2 fouls. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 0 inbounds. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 fires for 3 points. 45 seconds remaining. "14 seconds to shoot." Number 16. Foul on number 16. Second personal foul. Substitution. Remaining time 33 seconds of the third quarter. Number 2 inbounds the ball. Crosses over his defender to number 0. Extra pass, floater, no good. Shot clock is off, 20 seconds. Number 6 fires for 3, no good. 10 seconds, and a foul was called. Number 7, penalty. Number 7, you have 2 fouls. First shot is good. 10 seconds. Second shot, no good. 5 seconds. Number 13, floater, no good. And that's the end of the third quarter with a score of 73-45 in favor of
Alright, we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match between Daraga Defenders and USI Falcons. Running scores 73-45. Still on the lead, Daraga Defenders. Number 2 to number 0. The number 7. Number 0. The number 2. Shoots. Big rebound by the defenders. Number 2. The number 10. No basket. Foul number 22. Number 22, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. First team foul. Number 2. The number 5. Number 17 with an open layup. Defenders now on their 30-point lead. Number 0. The number 22. The number 2. The number 1. 10 to shoot. No good. Number 17. to number 5. Number 10 pushes hard. And that's an offensive foul by number 10. Next game would be the semi-final match between UNC and NCF. Once again, next game would be the semi-final match between NCF and UNC. Juniors Division. Number 7 to number 0. The number 34 attacks into the key, and he nailed it. Basket counts. Foul number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul for the defenders. Number 5 with a quick creep. No good for the first one. He nailed the second. Number 0, still dribbling the ball. The number 20 spins around, and a foul was called. Foul number 4. Second personal foul, third team foul. Second shot, no good. Number 17 drives, slashes, extra pass from the outside. Number 5 for 3, no good. Foul on number 30. Number 30 has 1 foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 4 with an easy 2-pointer. Number 10 to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 17 intercepted. Chases the ball. Fires for 3, in and out. But offensive rebound by number 4, turns, lays it up. Number 10 for the third attempt. Fouled by number 34. Number 34 has 3 fouls. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. First shot, no good. Shoutout po kay Jericho Abergos. Happy viewing. Second shot, no good. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 2, extra pass to number 10, but still no good. Intercepted by the defenders, but out of bounds. Shot clock, 15 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 34 fires for 3. Badly misses. Number 10 extra pass to number 4 with an easy layup. Number 10. Number 30 to number 34 turns it over. Substitution. Shout out po kay Miss Jessalyn Berin. Happy viewing. Number 17 to number 2. Inside pass to number 4. No good. Number 10. Foul on number 20. First personal foul, penalty. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 23 passes to number 10. Number 10 slashes, side steps, passes to number 30 from the outside. Air ball. Number 17 to number 5. Floater, no good. Number 7 running like the wind. Layup no good, but followed up by number 23. Number 17 generating a play. Pass to number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 23. Pass to number 7. Extra pass. But still gonna be USI ball. Change 5. Number 10 with an inbound 3, no good. Number 16 extra passes, no good with the layup. Number 16 second attempt, no good. Number 10 crossing over 2 defenders, loses the ball. USI ball. Number 23 to number 10. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds. Number 10, intercepted. Number 6, running like the wind, lays it up for an easy 2-pointer. USI ball. Number 30 to number 23. Number 30 extra pass to number 20, but the layup is no good. Number 13 slashes, lays it up, no good, but a foul. Number 23. First personal foul, penalty.
He makes the first shot.
That's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 13.
Number 23.
Number 30, what a drive, but didn't connect. Number 7 with the rebound. Feby. Teardrop and an air ball. Feby running like a wind. Number 10, quick pass to the side. Shoots, no good. And a follow-up, makes it. 20 seconds for Feby. Number 13, dribbles. Pass to the side, shoots. No luck. USI with the rebound.
Last 2 minutes.
All right, thank you, Feby. That's the last 2 minutes for our semifinals. Number 10 to number 23, number 30. Quick pass to the side, rejected by number 16. Second attempt from beyond the arc, misses. Rebounded by number 7, and a breakaway pass to number 13 into an easy layup. Number 7 to number 20. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. Number 10 dribbles, and a foul was called. Foul number 20. Second personal foul, penalty. Next game would be the semi-final match between UNC Greyhounds and NCF Tigers. And he got the first shot. No good for the second one. Big rebound by the defenders. Lap pass to number 6. Trapped to the baseline. Number 20 with a jumper, but didn't connect. Second attempt to redeem himself. No good. Third attempt and rejected. But a foul was called. Foul number 23. Second personal foul, penalty. He makes the second one. Seconds to play. Intercepted by number 13 and rebounded it. Dribbles to redeem himself. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. No good. .30 seconds to play. To number 23. To number 20. No good. And a foul was called. Foul number 7. And he completed the three-point play. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. Five seconds. And that's the end of the match. Winner, Daraga Defenders. Good game, well played for both teams. Daraga Defenders will advance to the finals.